Today I'll be unboxing these Fantasyland mystery pins. These were released in June of 2024 and are available at Disneyland for $19.99 per box, and there are 2 pins in each box. These are an open edition collection, so these should be around for quite a while. So this is an 8-pin collection, and the pin designs feature Disney characters riding on various Fantasyland attractions. So the pin designs we can get are Goofy on the teacups, Minnie on the Carousel, Dopey on Snow White, Donald on the Storybook Land canal boats, Mickey on Dumbo, Stitch on the Matterhorn, Mr. Toad in front of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, and Michael Darling on Peter Pan. So let's open them up and see what we get. So I have 5 boxes here to open up, which is 10 pins total. I am hoping to get Stitch on the Matterhorn and Michael on Peter Pan's Flight. Those are the 2 I want the most, but these are all super cool, so I would love to get the entire collection. So let's see. Got 10 tries to get 8 pins. See how close we can get. All right. And I've not seen these in person yet to see how big they are. They feel decent size. So our first pin is Michael Darling on Peter Pan's Flight. Awesome. It's good to get one you want right at the start. Get started good. So they all have this shield with the kind of red curtains there with an F, the Fantasyland F at the top, and this one has Michael Darling on one of the Peter Pan's Flight ride vehicles there. All right, good start. Let's see what we get for pin 2. And we have Dopey on, what is it called now? Snow White's Enchanted Wish. I believe that is what that ride is called now. It used to be called Snow White's Scary Adventure. And this one, same type of frame. It actually might be the exact same frame. And it has Dopey in the ride vehicle there. Cool. All right, so we have Michael and Dopey. Let's see what we get in box 2. Don't fall off the table there. Let's see, for pin 3, we have, I'm looking at the back and there's a little piece sticking out the side. And it is Mr. Toad. So we have Mr. Toad in front of, I'm assuming, the entrance to Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. I don't know why he's not on the little Toad car that I have back here. The ride vehicle, that would be cool, but he's just standing in front of the doorway. Still cool. All right. And pin 4, we have Mickey on Dumbo. Awesome. So we have a Dumbo ride vehicle here, and it is one with a pink hat, and Mickey is riding that attraction. Very cool. So we have 4 out of the 8. Got to halfway in the first 2 boxes. I think that's how my last unboxing went too. Started off good and then it did not go so well. So let's see if we can change that here. So nothing is sticking off of the sides of this one, and it is another Michael Darling on Peter Pan. So we know he has nothing sticking out the sides, and neither does Dopey. So let's see what we get here. Oh, there's nothing sticking out the sides here. Is this going to be a duplicate box? It is not. We have Stitch on the Matterhorn. Nice. So same frame, and we have the Matterhorn bobsled ride vehicle with Stitch on there. And it looks like, I see a lot of little white parts, so I think that's the Snowy Mountain. So we have 5 out of the 8. So 3 to go. 4 pins here. Hey, we can still mathematically do it. Okay. So here we go. This is pin 7, right? Ooh, there's something sticking off the sides. This looks very similar to Mr. Toad. And it's not, but it's Mickey. So it's Mr. Toad's hand sticks out, and then on this one, it's Dumbo's ear sticks out the side. So we do have another Mickey. So let's avoid the doubles here. Let's not get another Stitch. But we've got, oh, it is Dumbo. not Dumbo, Donald, not Dumbo. Sorry, Donald, I didn't mean to call you Dumbo. So we have Donald, and he is on the Storybook Land canal boats, and he is like going right through the whale or coming out of the whale. Usually on the ride you go into the whale's mouth, but this one looks like the whale is chasing him. So, very nice. I really thought that was going to be a duplicate box. So now we have 6 out of the 8, and 2 more pins to go. This is what I like. I like to at least have that mathematical chance to complete the collection on the last box. So most likely I'm not going to, especially since that one just fell off into the lava. The floor is lava today. All right, and this pin is another Donald. So put that there, and the one that tried to get away. Let's see what this one's gonna be. Am I gonna be 2 pins away or 1 pin away? Come on, let's do 1 pin away, that's more fun. On the back it looks pretty plain. And this one is another Dopey on Snow White's Enchanted Wish. So, got 6 out of the 8. I think that's pretty good. I mean, I did get 4 doubles, but 6 out of 8, I'll take that. Those were the Fantasyland mystery pins. Which one was your favorite out of these 6? So going into this, I wanted Stitch and Michael Darling, and I did get those 2, but those ones aren't actually my favorite. My favorite, after getting a close-up look at these, is Donald Duck. I love the design of that pin. I like how Donald has his hat off and he's got this terrified look on his face with Monstro coming right behind him. So that one is a super fun pin design, so that is my favorite out of these 6. So this was a great unboxing, getting 6 out of the 8. So I'm only missing 2 pins, and the pins I'm missing are Goofy in the teacup and Minnie on the carousel horse. So those were the 2 that I wasn't able to show you. So a great unboxing, and I do want to thank Buddha Belly Pins. They're the person that I used to pick these up from Disneyland for me. So there are a lot of people out there you can use for Disneyland pickups, and I've been using Buddha Belly Pins for 2 or 3 years now. So most of my Disneyland park pins come from Buddha Belly Pins. So check them out if you want to get some stuff from Disneyland. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.